Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on Backup and Sync so new photos are preserved automatically. Open Google Photos, sign in, and immediately enable Backup and Sync for the account you want. Then pick which device folders and albums to include. This prevents missed images. Choose Upload Quality now. Original uses storage, high quality saves space. Once done, make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. This first step creates the continuous safety net you'll rely on. Next, you'll manage storage and refine settings to keep backups reliable and efficient. Check your storage meter and free up space or upgrade if you're near the limit, otherwise backups may pause. Make upload preferences explicit. Wi-Fi only for large libraries, allow cellular for urgent syncs. Organize which folders to include and disable duplicate device folders to reduce clutter. Also enable face grouping and consistent album tagging so retrieval is faster and automated. These tweaks reduce failures and speed access. Finally, confirm your backups completed by checking recent photos in Google Photos. If something is missing, force a sync or manually upload that folder. You should also verify file types. Some RAW or obscure formats may not upload automatically, so convert or upload manually. If syncing stops, sign out and back in, update the app, check Google account storage, and clear the app cache. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle backup and sync off and on after reconnecting to Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.